How to change profile picture in YouTube Kids application. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your child's profile picture in the YouTube Kids application on iOS and Android devices. So this guide provides step-by-step instructions to personalize your child's viewing experience. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you can head over and open your YouTube Kids application, and then you're going to click on Profile at the bottom right. Once you do so, you can see that this is the profile picture right now. So you're going to click on this pencil icon over here. And here, you'll be able to see various options that you can set as your profile picture. There are various cartoons, however, YouTube Kids doesn't allow you to upload any picture from your gallery. You're going to choose the picture from these existing cartoonic images. So for example, I'm going to select this image over here. And then when you click on it, it will take a while in order to load. So just wait for it to get loaded. And now you can see that the picture has been loaded and this is the new profile picture. You can simply go back and now you can see that the profile picture has been updated successfully. So that was how you can change profile picture in YouTube Kids application. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.